You want to drink a beer, boy? Sit on your ass, sipping it like it's your breakfast tea? You might even go down the shop for it, huh? No, real men don't do that. Real men brew their own beer. Now, you look like you're gonna need some serious help. So I'm gonna show you how we've been doing it in my family for generations. First, we gently roast the malt to give it that mild, smoky flavour. Now, we're gonna grind the malt. We're gonna need some hops. Beer without hops is like your bloody haircut. Tasteless. It's getting kind of late, so let's speed things up a little and cool this bastard down. So, kiddo, that's how a real man brews his own beer.